Hi everyone. It's been a while since I discussed about off-page SEO. For the past week or so, I have been sharing about free online training available for you. You can start an online business with the knowledge gained from that training. If you are interested in starting and owning an online business, click on the card above to watch that video. For today, I will continue to share with you another off-page SEO technique that works. It is by using broken link opportunity. By doing this technique, you can get quality backlinks, and that is important to help you get to the first page of search results. So what is broken link opportunity? How to do it? Let's discuss in this video. Before I continue, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. Most websites have outbound links to other web pages. At times, for some reason or other, the web page no longer exists. This can result in a broken or dead link, which is not good for the website that is linking to it. This is an opportunity for you to build a backlink. This is because nobody wants dead links on their website. Even I do not want to have that on my websites. As such, you can contact the owners or webmasters of these websites and offer your webpage to link back to. One of the easiest ways to find broken links is to use an add-on or extension to your browser. For Chrome, you can use the Check My Links extension. I use Edge browser, so I am using the Broken Link Checker extension that I have added to my Edge browser. It is so easy to use. I simply visit a website, click on the Broken Link Check, and I will find out if that page has any broken links. There is also the option to search on all the pages of that website. There are many online tools to find such sites with broken links. For example, there's Ahrefs, Screaming Frog, Dead Link Check, and Wikigrabber. Wikigrabber is the one that helps you find Wikipedia pages that need dead or broken link replacements. I will discuss more about these tools in future videos. So remember to subscribe to get updated whenever I publish a new video. After you find the broken link on a site, you do outreach emails. You can write to the webmaster of the website and mention that you noticed a broken link on their website. Then offer a link to your web page as a replacement for that broken link. This means you must have already, a web page ready for them to link back to. Alternatively, some people actually create a blog post as a replacement for that broken link. When you're doing this technique, here are a few additional points to note. Make sure the website you're targeting must be related to your niche and industry. Google and other search engines will see this as a quality backlink. Also, the site that is giving you the backlink must be a reputable website with good level of authority. Do you have any questions about this off-page SEO techniques that work? Broken link opportunity, that is. Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and make money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.